Are you looking for the best engine oils in 2026 to protect your vehicle's engine, improve performance, enhance fuel efficiency, and extend engine life? Choosing the right full synthetic motor oil can make a big difference in wear protection, temperature stability, and long-term reliability. In this video, we review 5 of the best full synthetic engine oils available right now. Check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Number 1. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum Full Synthetic 5W30 Motor Oil. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum 5W30 is a top-tier full synthetic motor oil formulated to deliver excellent engine protection, superior cleanliness, and enhanced performance under all driving conditions. It uses advanced synthetic base stocks and helps improve fuel economy, reduce engine wear, and provide strong thermal stability. Pros: excellent wear protection, outstanding cleanliness, strong high-temp performance, and trusted full synthetic quality. Cons: slightly higher price point compared to conventional oils. Number 2. Mobil 1 Advanced Full Synthetic Motor Oil 5W30. Mobil 1 Advanced Full Synthetic 5W30 is engineered for high performance, providing excellent protection against engine wear, oxidation, and sludge buildup. It offers strong performance in hot and cold weather, superior startup protection, and compatibility with a wide range of modern engines. Pros: proven performance, great startup protection, good thermal stability, and trusted by enthusiasts and manufacturers. Number 3. Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic SAE 5W30 Motor Oil. Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic 5W30 Motor Oil is designed to help protect against high-temperature deposits and engine wear while delivering improved fuel efficiency. It provides strong oxidation resistance and reliable performance for daily driving and long highway trips. Pros: excellent oxidation control, reliable overall protection, and widely available. Number 4. Castrol Edge 5W30 Advanced Full Synthetic Motor Oil. Castrol Edge 5W30 Advanced Full Synthetic Motor Oil is engineered with fluid strength technology to reduce friction, improve engine efficiency, and provide strong high-load performance. It helps protect modern engines from wear and deposits even under severe driving conditions. Pros: great friction reduction, excellent high-load protection, and trusted performance brand. Number 5. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum Full Synthetic 5W30 Motor Oil, Second Pack. This is another pack of Pennzoil Ultra Platinum 5W30 Full Synthetic Motor Oil, offering the same premium protection, performance, and reliability. It delivers excellent engine cleanliness, wear protection, and consistent performance in all weather conditions. Pros: same high-quality full synthetic performance, great for multiple oil changes, and reliable engine protection. Overall, these full synthetic engine oils provide excellent protection, performance, and engine longevity for cars, trucks, SUVs, and high-performance vehicles. The best choice depends on your vehicle manufacturer recommendations, driving style, and mileage requirements. That brings us to the end of this video. If this guide helped you choose the right engine oil for your vehicle in 2026, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest automotive and performance reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.